Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome as well. My channel is a happy, cozy place where I share everything that inspires me, shopping, travel and so much more. And today is a regular cozy winter day. I am almost ready. I'm just going to put on my coat and get going. I wanted to quickly show you my outfit before I head out. So I have put on my Uniqlo legging jeans already, the dark green ones that I wear so much this winter. Also, this is my Zara wool sweater that you have probably seen already on this channel. It is very soft and warm, but I wanted to say that after I washed it, it became a little longer. I think I have probably dried it a wrong way, like I dried it on a hanger, and next time I should dry it flat. I'm not always good in this kind of things, but I have to say in all of the other aspects this sweater survived the washing very well. And then I'm going to also put on my black leather Gucci boots. Then I am putting on my new Zara jacket. This is, I think it's called a shearling coat, the right way to call this winter coat. This is like very trendy among teenagers right now and among people who are like in fashion and stuff like that. And I was hesitant about it for a long time, but as you can see, I'm wearing it right now and I think I'm enjoying it. It's very soft. I use it on like really casual days, and I think it fits nicely. Right now it's not super cold in Warsaw. It's about +5, I think, so I don't need a warm puffer jacket. If it was like super cold, below 0, then of course I would wear a puffer jacket, but I think with this weather I'm going to be fine with this coat. Then I kind of think that the colors of Burberry, this cashmere scarf, fit well with the coat, but I'm not 100% sure that I like them together. Let me know in the comments what you think about this combination. The problem is that I'm going to also grab a bag, and maybe this together will be too much. Here today I'll be taking my Chanel black bag, and maybe it's too many brands at the same time, like it is obvious Chanel and Burberry together. I'm not sure about those, but I need to take a bag today anyway, so we will have to bear with it. That's going to be my outfit of the day. I also have my earrings already on. These are like simple hoop earrings by APM Monaco with tiny crystals, and I think that's it. My look is ready. I will have to run some errands. I might also go grab something sweet for us to eat today, because I really wanted to have cinnamon buns lately, and I was thinking that I would like to cook some, but then I understood that it's a really long process. I cooked them before, by the way. I cooked them last year for Vlogmas, and that video is on my channel still. I have the recipe out there, by the way. The one that I usually use, I will leave the link to the video in the description. But I decided that it's going to be really long right now, and I'm not into it at the moment, so I think I will get a cinnamon bun somewhere today if I manage to find it. I will also grab a coffee, of course, and I also need to pass by a drugstore. The one that I really like here in Warsaw is called Rossmann, and I really need like a new shower gel and maybe a face serum that I'm running out of at the moment. And that is it, the quick update of this morning. I think I will see you very soon this afternoon. Hello again, I am back home right now. The afternoon today is unexpectedly sunny. Right now the weather is really like kind of a golden hour sunset kind of weather, and you can, I think, even see like some nice sunshine on my face at the moment. which is lovely. I managed to do everything that I wanted today. I've got really like nice looking sweet stuff for us to have with coffee later. Also, I went to the drugstore as I planned, and I got some nice shower gels which I wanted to show you, and I didn't unfortunately get my face serum that I wanted to get, but I wanted to show you which face serum I was looking for, because that is something I really love and I wanted to recommend you. Here is my bottle, which is almost empty. That is my absolutely favorite face serums of all that I have tried. As my bottle is almost empty, I wanted to get a new one, but they have run out of it at the moment in the shop, and as I've noticed, it happens quite often. So I think I will get to the shop in a week and try to get a new serum for myself. This one is niacinamide. I hope I'm pronouncing that one right. Niacinamide and zinc booster serum with 10% niacinamide and zinc. The brand is called Refine, made in the UK, helps to clarify and improve skin tone. This one is sold in Rossmann in Poland. I think you can find it in your local drugstore generally, and I really love this brand. I know that The Ordinary do a similar serum as well with a niacinamide 10% and zinc, so it might be really similar to this one, but I've tried this one. I'm finishing the bottle and I'm loving it so much. It really helps with the redness on my face, with like sensitive skin, and with like not even skin tone that I have sometimes. The shower gels that I got today and that I wanted to show you are my like huge discovery of today. I found them in our local Rossmann and I was so surprised that I didn't know about them before. Unfortunately, they are Polish, so if you are not living in Poland, you will not be able to find them probably, but maybe if you're visiting one day, or if you are Polish and you're watching this, these shower gels are so cool. I have 2 bottles in here, and I found them actually standing next to the men's section of shower gels, which is strange. You know, I'm still like surprised, and I still don't understand why they put in the women's section of shower gels only shower gels with like coconuts and flowers, and all of those woody scents, all of those deeper scents are always in the men's section, and very often I found the shower gels that I like in the men's section. So if you are in Poland and you're like me and you like woody, deep scents, those kind of more autumnal and wintry scents, these shower gels I highly recommend. The brand is called Joop, and it has these blue bottles with some kind of animals drawn on it. So that is the first one. And the first one is saffron and patchouli scent. And that is the second one. And the second one is mirra and tonka. Both have really woody, nice scents. And these were the recommendations of today. I am wishing you all a very nice day and a very nice weekend which is ahead. I really hope you're all going to have a really nice, cozy, comfortable time with your loved ones, or maybe just having an enjoyable me time. Anyway, don't forget to have some self-care time. This is so important. I usually have like my self-care time on Sundays, like in the mornings and in the afternoons as well, sometimes depending on the weather. When the weather is really good, we would go for a walk, but if the weather is really like raining and moody, windy, we would stay home and I will have some like self-care time. Anyway, I will see you very soon for another cozy video. Bye.